Okay, so I doing this one, but
Okay.
whatever
Yeah.
you're more
That
comfortable.
works good.
Yeah.
Can you draw?
What can I say, guys?
The level's not going up.
Okay, guys.
Would you like to wear the puffer jacket?
Lots of GCSE food technology around there.
What did she say?
Yeah, in this one you can add all the flour.
Nice art.
Sabrina.
What do you think? I think I put enough flour. Mine's nuts. Okay, go.
Okay, after the first time, this way. Okay, guys, and when you finish, put them on the board.
Guess I'm not gonna stretch it at all.
That's what you do with
That just made up.
machine for the pasta. And then I bet they probably
Thanks, Grandma.
will hand fold. How's the pasta?
Good.
Magnifico.
The volcano.
And then I said yes, and I said, she said,
Do you like it? Grandma, how is it?
Good.
Russian?
Excellent.